Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to disable Salesforce admin logout when admin logs in as other user. So first of all, let me show you the scenario and then I will show you the setting to disable force logout of Salesforce admin. So let me go to setup and search for users. And here I will click on users. And now I will log in as Sia. So let me log in. So now I am logged in. I am an admin and logged in as Sia, which is other user in Salesforce. And when I click on logout as Sia, then it will also log out Salesforce admin as well. So if I refresh this page, the session is lost, as you can see here. So how to do a setting so that admin will not be logged out? So first of all, let me just open the org again. So let me open this org and let me close these tabs as well. Now I will show you the setting. I will go to setup. Here we have to search for session settings. And here we have to disable this setting. Under session settings, we have to disable this setting which says force re-login after login as user. So we will disable this setting and click on save. Once the setting is saved, let's try to log in again. So I will go to users and click on users and will log in again. Now an admin has logged in as other user. Now let's log out from here and see if the admin is also getting logged out or not. So as you can see on screen, now we are not getting that login screen. We are again getting the screen from where we have logged in as other user. So this is how you can disable force logout of Salesforce admin when they log in as other user. For that, you have to go to session settings and disable one setting which is force relogin as other user. This setting you have to disable, force relogin after login as user. You have to disable this setting. So that's it in this video. Thank you very much.